Hello children, today we are going to learn about heterotrophic nutrition in the plants. There are different modes of heterotrophic nutrition in the plants. These are parasitic relationship and symbiotic relationship and saprophytes. So what are parasitic relationship? Here parasites are the organisms which depends on the other organisms for their food and shelter. These parasitic organisms which depends on the other organism for their food and shelter. Example, Cuscuta. Cuscuta is a parasitic plant which depends on the other host plant for their food and shelter. Here host plant is providing food and shelter to this Cuscuta plant. That's why it is called parasitic plant.
Here you can see brown color Cuscuta on host plant children. Saprophyte. It is a fungi on bread.
Saprophytes. What are saprophytes? Saprophytes are the living organisms which can grow on the dead and decaying matter or called saprophytes. Examples are fungi. Fungi grows on the bread. Bread is a non-living organism. It is a dead. Fungi is a living organism. So living organism which grow on a dead and decaying matter is called saprophyte. Fungi is the example for saprophyte.
Here you can see fungal growth on the bread. After expiry date you can see sometimes such type of fungal growth on the bread.
What are insectivorous plants? Insectivorous plants are the plants which eats insects, which depends on the insects for their nutrition is called insectivorous plants. These plants can prepare their own food but deficient in some nutrients. That's why which depends on the insects for their complete nutrition. These are called insectivorous plants. What is a symbiosis? Symbiosis is a process. It is a mutually understanding and helping to each other. Helping to each other. It is a relationship in which two organisms helping to each other and mutually understanding. This relationship is called symbiosis. So like friends. Friends are mutually understanding and helping to each other. Example, Rhizobium bacteria which lives in the root nodules of leguminous plants. These leguminous plants which have root nodules, within the root nodules, Rhizobium bacteria grows and fixes atmospheric nitrogen within the soil. This nitrogen is very helpful to the plant growth, and plant provides shelter and food for the Rhizobium bacteria. So here plant and Rhizobium bacteria helping to each other, mutually understanding with each other. This relationship is called symbiosis.